Hello and welcome to Rando Tech Info. So today just wanted to give you a little piece of information about a pretty good deal that I heard about. I don't want to act like this is insider information. A bunch of written sources were talking about this yesterday. Android Police, Gizmodo, CNET, 9 to 5 Google, all were reporting about this deal that Sprint is doing right now with $50 screen repairs on certain devices. The really cool thing about this thing is you don't have to be a Sprint customer. So anybody who has an eligible broken device can bring it in to a qualifying Sprint store. And when I say qualifying, not all Sprint stores do repairs. So make sure that you look in advance that the location by you or that you're going to go to does have this offer. But if you own a Galaxy S7, S8, S8 Plus, S9, or a Galaxy Note 8, they will repair this thing for $50 while supplies last, or until February 9th is when the deal officially ends. I guess as long as they still have the replacement parts that they need. It's not same day, so plan on leaving your phone there. And if you can't get the screen repaired, if it's not repairable, they will, in certain cases, offer you up to $150 on another device for like a trade-in. I will include the link to Sprint's website below so you can check it out yourself and get all the details. But I feel like this is a pretty good deal, not only for people who have older phones, because sometimes when you have an older phone and it breaks, the idea of getting it fixed is not very appealing because sometimes the repairs will cost more than the phone's value. So it's hard to invest, hundreds of dollars into a repair when the phone's not even worth that much. The other cool thing about this is it's pretty environmentally friendly. I feel like the less, we're throwing away, the more we're reusing the tech we already have, the better that is for our footprint and all that stuff. So I think this is a pretty cool deal all around. There is a limit of one per customer. So that kind of makes me feel like Sprint's motivation for doing this is just to kind of get people into their stores, but who cares? It's a great deal. I just wanted to let you know about it. Like I said, a bunch of places wrote about it yesterday. If you want to know more about it, feel free to scour the interwebs and read up on it some more. But not a whole lot of YouTubers had mentioned this yet, so I wanted to make sure my viewers heard about it, as well as just anybody searching around on the tubes who wanted to know more about it. So anyway, that's all I've got for today. Hope you found this video useful. Thanks for watching. Until next time, this is Rando Tech Info, signing out.